Hello everyone, welcome to All About My Home. Today, I will share with you this super easy pasta con zucchini e pomodorini recipe. We will need zucchini, onion, cherry tomatoes, salt and pepper, olive oil, and pasta. I will use fussili. Let's start sauteing onion and tomatoes for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And while we are sauteing, start boiling water in a pot to be used for our pasta later. Then, add a sliced zucchini and saute until cooked. Season with salt and pepper to taste. You can also add vegetable seasonings and chili flakes into this recipe. For the meantime, put the pasta into the pot of boiling water and cook the pasta according to the package instructions. Now, our zucchini is ready and well cooked. And once the pasta is ready, put it into the pan and stir well into our zucchini. You can add pasta water if it's too dry. Now, our pasta con zucchini e pomodorini is ready! Serve the pasta while it is still hot, and you can also put some Parmesan cheese on top, or just as it is if you want. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you again soon. Bye bye.